Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a way to calm down and stop running on autopilot as many of us do in our busy lives. There are several mindfulness meditation techniques that relieve stress. We will try a couple of them here. One way to practice mindfulness meditation is by doing a body scan, where you focus attention on various parts of your body. It's similar to muscle relaxation, except that instead of tensing or relaxing, you just notice how each part feels without judging whether the sensation is good or bad. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position with your arms slightly out to the side and your legs straight. If you're comfortable doing so, close your eyes softly. Start with deep breathing for a minute or so. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice it as you breathe in and breathe out. Don't force the breath in any way. Just notice as it enters and leaves your body. Concentrate on one body part at a time. Notice how each body part feels. Start with your head and face, and you'll move down through your body to your feet and toes. Notice your eyebrows and forehead. How do they feel? Move your focus to your nose. Now, move your focus to your mouth and chin. Move your focus further down to your chest and shoulders. Next, notice your arms, hands, and fingers. Move your focus to your stomach. Now move your focus to your buttocks. Continue by moving your focus to your legs. Finally, move your focus to your feet and toes. Continue breathing deeply for a few more minutes. When you are ready, you can open your eyes.